Happy Friday! What's going on, y'all? It's Nick here with F.O.F Financial Coaching LLC, and I'm here today to talk about what else? Money. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Hope you guys are enjoying your Friday. Now, if you want to see this blog as well as any of my others, please go to my website at www.foffcoaching.com. Now, listen, today what I want to talk to you guys about is budgeting mistakes. Now, there's a lot of mistakes that people can make when budgeting, and it's okay. We all make mistakes, so I'm not here to bash you. But some of the top 3 things that I see is that, first and foremost, people, they really have a hard time budgeting because they do a template budget. The other thing is that they budget at the wrong time. And then kind of the third one I see a lot is that they're not consistent with their budgeting and the budgeting of their money. Now, in this blog, if you look below, I kind of explain those concepts a lot more and get into them. So read that and take that on. What I really want to get with you all today and get into more of is that when it comes to doing a budget, it's hard at first, especially to do it the right way. It does take some time. It does take about 3 months to really build the habit and to really get the hang of things so that things will go faster, especially if you're married. And so basically what I want to say is that as you're on your journey for whatever you want to do as far as your financial goals are, budgeting, yes, it is a foundational pillar on getting to that goal, but you have to build the habit. You have to create the habit and continue to do it over and over again, because really it's telling your money what to do. And budgeting doesn't mean you don't have enough. It's just making the decision and putting it on paper and forecasting and saying, this is what I plan to do with my money. And so really what I want you guys to get from this is even though it may be hard when you first start out, even though you may not get it, even though it may take a couple of hours at first, the more you do it, just like any muscle, you keep on working it, it gets easier to move that weight, right? And you get stronger and you get better at it, and you even learn some new things. So I want to say is continue to budget, continue to do it. Don't make these budgeting mistakes that are mentioned in the blog. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and you guys, look, have a great day. Remember, choose faith over fear for your finances. Thank you.